Hello, Endless here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the DAT editor I made a little while back. It's pretty easy. You download it from the website. First, you're going to have to head to forums and then all the way back down modding category under tools, and then you're going to find the Buddy DAT editor right over here. There's also a virus tutorial here. Show you it's entirely safe. Last scanned 12 days ago. This was posted last edited 20th February, which was 2 months ago, well back. Okay, so you download it here. It's gonna open over here. I already have it, so I'm only gonna open it right here. I'm gonna drag it over here. Let's overwrite it. There we go. Now we can close that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna run as admin. Say yes. Alright, now it's opened and all ready to go. You can close actually we're gonna keep this open for references. We're gonna use there we go. Alright, now we're gonna have to browse to the folder where all the DAT files are, these files. So we're gonna click browse. We all know it's under programs and NCSoft BNS. So here, programs, NCSoft BNS, contents, local, and data. There you go. Now you got the DAT files over here. Now you press on the file you want to edit, and here you go. Now you can do any modifications you want. Type in, change the code, any XML changes you want to apply. After you're done, you hit Control S, and at the top it should say status saved. If not, probably permission issues or other or a broken file, or you did a typo, you put an invalid character that is not supported by UTF-8 for the encoding. That's pretty much it for the editor. You can use the import export like the old BNS Buddy used to do. You can browse to that file you wanted to unpack. Here we go, config 64. We're gonna unpack. Here you go, it's decompiled and it's located right here. So we can either copy that, paste that here, boom. All the files are here. And then you can also do any changes locally using Notepad or anything, a text editor or XML editor, and you can hit that repack. You can either choose to auto delete the DAT file after unpacking it. I recommend you keep that off just in case something goes wrong, so you always have a backup. You can auto clean the folder here with the files after repacking it, since you won't be needing it anymore. You can always unpack and then repack again. You don't have to browse the folder to the one you want to repack unless you want to repack another file that was pre-decompiled by someone else, or you kept it decompiled and just did not unpack it. You can click this, browse to the same folder that ends with .files, which contains the XML files, and you click repack. Shazam. And that's pretty much it. And that's how it works. So thanks for watching.